Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to restore wood for outside. I'm redoing a wood swing that goes on a tree. And I'm going to start with my wood glue found at Dollarama. Reasonable. Projects like this shouldn't cost you a lot of money, and if you're thrifty, you can do it reasonably inexpensive. Now, this tree bench I purchased off of Kijiji, and it cost me $25 Canadian. So with my bench, it does have a lot of age. It has holes, it has cracks, and we can cover them with our wood filler. I made a little hole because I want to have ultimate control. And I'm using a piece of cardboard just to be thrifty, and I'm going to fill in my cracks. It will take a couple of times to get it perfectly flat. So my project, I put wood filler in most of the holes. I did not fill in this crack because it's too thick, the front. I filled in all of that just so when I sand it, it'll be smooth as if it's one piece of wood. We noticed that the top here is a little bit loose, so I'm going to fill in the crack there in the front and in the back and make it one piece. I also had to cut the top a little more so more came out. It's a little thicker, so it gives me more control having a bigger end versus a smaller end. Hi! So it's been 3 days since we put on all our wood filler, and we're moving on to the sanding. Now, I am a big fan of Ryobi. You can use any sander, you can use a plug-in sander. You do want to make sure you have proper safety gear, so make sure your eyes are covered. Some people will put a mask on because you don't want to breathe in the old wood that's been sitting, especially with the different stains and paints that were done years ago. I'm outside, so I'm not worried about that. But what we're going to do is start our sanding process. So I always check my Ryobis that my batteries are full. Now the sanders, you take a piece of sandpaper and it's just Velcro, so it sticks on. Just like that. And turn it on and sand all the wood filler till it's a smooth finish. I need to wipe down all the dirt, sand, and the product here I'm using is Rust-Oleum. It's can go on sale at Home Hardware for about $6 when it's 40% off, and it's pretty easy. It's usually a one coater. So I shake it up. Spray paint, you want to push into a straight line, let off. Push, straight line, let off.